Hi, it's the Daft Scots last here again, and it is day 27 of the 30-day vlog challenge. You'll be glad to know there's only 3 more days to go, and then I'll be done with my vlog challenge. And I've got a real cool surprise when I'm finished with my vlog challenge, what I'm going to vlog about. Anyway, I'm not going to tell you about that now. What today's topic is what you looked like a year ago. Now, I've posted some pictures of how I looked a year ago. And I don't think I've changed much physically, apart from the fact that I've got my butt's got around 10 million dimples and it's growing about 10 inches wider. And and the fact that I cut a fringe about this time last year to hide the wrinkles because it's much cheaper than Botox. And I had my mole removed last week, which was awesome. I've been wanting to do it for years, and I finally got up the courage to have them stick those needles in my face and cut out the mole. So the stitches came out yesterday, and I'm quite happy with how it's healing. So watch this space. Yeah, so I haven't changed much physically, I think, but I think inside I've changed quite a bit. Just the fact that I've realised a lot of things about myself and grown a lot as a person. I guess I'm just getting on in years. Oh no, I'm not 40 next year, I'm 39 next year. And so, it's just that goes with the age where you're starting to feel more comfortable in your skin and you actually don't give a rat's fucking arse what people think about you anyway. You're more confident in your skin, and I think that's what I've gained this year, which is quite nice. I'll speak to you now, darling. I was making a video, okay? Yes. So that's it for today. Matty suggested that I keep my videos short, which I will be doing, so no more 10-minute videos to bore the shit out of you. So tune in for tomorrow, because tomorrow's topic is my favourite movie. And I bet you guys can't guess what my favourite movie is. Okay, unless you've been reading my blog like since the beginning of time, you'll probably know. But a lot of people think I'm into like stuff that I'm actually not into. So leave a comment below as to what you think my type of movie would be, or my favourite movie would be, and then come back tomorrow and see what the real one is. Yes. So over and out from Daft Scots last. We'll speak again soon. Bye. Funny. Yeah.